Hi, welcome to Tech Infinity. In this video, we shall learn about four different functions: sum, average, min and max. We shall also learn about how to calculate percentage. As you can see, I have already created some data for you, which is basically a mark sheet containing 5 students and 4 subjects. These are the 5 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could have given names also over here of students, but I have simply written their roll numbers, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 4 subjects and these are the marks that they have got. Now what we want is, we want to do total, percentage, min, max and average by using the functions. Over here raw data is there and we'll be using functions of Excel to get all these things. When I click over here, this is the place where I want the total. This is the cell pointer, as you know. Right now it is on F10. See, it is at F column and 10th row. It is also written over here, F10. So we know that we are on F10. So on F10, we want the total of this cell plus this cell plus this plus this. So these are the 4 cells of which we want the total over here. There are many ways to do it. The first and basic way is by doing it manually. How to do that? Let's say you want the total in F10 of B10 is the address of this particular marks plus C10, D10 and E10. So over here what I'll do is I'll start with equal to, I'll write B10 plus C10 plus D10 plus E10. As I write a particular address, you can see that particular cell becomes colored, indicating that these are the cells you have chosen for a particular mathematical operation. So our operation is only for addition right now, and then press enter. You got the total. Another way of doing is equal to, use the sum function. So sum, open brackets, show the range, close brackets and press enter. So this is how you use a function in Excel. Always start with equal to, write the name of the function, open the bracket, show the cell range, close the bracket and press enter. Over here we want to get the average. So how to do that? So equal to, name of the function is average, open the brackets, show the range, close the bracket and press enter. See, you got 90.80 and over here also it is the same. There is a difference of decimal place which you can increase or decrease. You can increase the number of decimal places. So what I can do is I can click over here. There are 2 buttons over here. Let's say this particular thing will increase the decimal place. So you can increase as much as you want. Let's say we want up to 2. So I'm decreasing back to it. Okay, now I'll just drag it and we'll get the average of all of them. This is called autofill. So in the cell pointer at the bottom right corner, you will get a small box over here. Go over it, your mouse pointer will change and drag, and you will get the total. And this is how you get the average. Now we want to calculate percentage. So over here also percentage is calculated. So what we have done, we have said F2, which is this total into 100 divided by 400. So over here what we have to do is equal to F10 into 100 divided by 400. 400 assuming each subject carries 100 marks, total 100 marks. So total is 400 and press enter. So we got the percentage as 83.75. So this is how we calculate percentage. Just drag it to get the percentage of all of them. Again you can see 1 or 2 decimal places over here. So what we can do is just select the whole range if you want 2 decimal places for each of them and increase over here and then decrease to make it perfect. Over here min, min, open brackets, give the cell range, close bracket and press enter. So what this function will do is it will show you the number which is least in the selected range. So you got the minimum value out of this 4 values. So you can say roll number 1 has scored 76 as his minimum marks. Similarly you can do for max, max, show the range, close bracket, press enter. So you can say roll number 1 has scored 89 as his maximum marks out of all subjects. Select this, use the autofill feature just to get the minimum marks of all the students. Similarly, do it over here again to get the maximum marks of all the students. Average. Average is, you have to use the total and divide it with the total number of subjects in this case. So what we'll do is, there are two ways again, equal to show the total F10 has come, divide by 4 because there are only 4 subjects. This is one way. Another way is using function of Excel. So equal to average, open brackets, show the range. Just show the range of marks and close the brackets and press enter and autofill. So when you use average function, you do not have to show the total, you do not have to tell Excel how many subjects or how many different things are there. All those things it will do it for you. In this case, we have to depend upon the total. So we need total first. Then we also have to tell Excel how many subjects or how many different things were there. So 4. But in this case, we just simply said average this 4 things for me or this many things for me. So this is a pretty shortcut kind of thing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Infinity for other such short and concrete videos. Kindly do write about this video in the comment section. I'll make it a point to reply to you. Also, if it is not too much of asking, a click on the like button will be really appreciated. Thank you once again.